Easter Japan and the mom. Now, send our company you win it. Now, so I say it was a boy, Papa. Yes, as you see, I make us say China, I'm going to lock it down. And him say, I know a best sample, but the because I am person before the Easter. And you know, then also Mama Ashe. Mama Kwaba, your mama fish apa. Esa say Juma Dina Mudima Ghana. Juma dia a sombo. Mudia Mudima Ghana, Media a sombo. The guy first, your time your essence. Open Lofon in a casa, just saw your letter. There 2 weeks name could do. Now say telecommunication, buy a scene. The board and then the Kaiser SIM card. Most legal to a certain 350,000. Come a buyer. Oto no mama Nokia 3310. And to know your homo transition. Na in him say Muguswa a tre mushim. Easter never Mama Kwaba. Say our car. Ben film you me intimindi. It's uncovered. In him senia your mind, we are some of your mind and qua. And donation in Suamobeyama traditional council, so near Sakayama, Yabedamasi. And himself and Suwa corporate social responsibilities in himself.
On hold. We are extremely happy to see Kwahu come back to life during Easter 2022, to see the people of Kwahu gather to reunite as a family, renew their friendship, and make new ones. MTN is happy to join in the celebration once again. We bring to you warm greetings from the management and staff of MTN Ghana. We wish Dasebre Ekuyamwa Ejapon II and his elders a happy Easter. As a friend of Kwahu man, we have come to reaffirm our friendship and lend our continuous support to the people of Kwahu as we have done for the past 14 years. Today, we have come to support the Traditional Council in revamping the Kwahu festivities after the devastating effect of the COVID-19. We believe we have a role to play in reviving the commercial activities that tie to the celebration of this Easter by helping the creation of jobs for the youth during the Easter activities, as well as help promote the development of tourism through the various entertainment activities that are organized to make the Kwahu Easter a unique event. In addition to coming to participate in the festive occasion, we are here to also present a total cash amount of 25,000 Ghana cedis to the Kwahu Traditional Council, with the breakdown as follows. Kwahu Traditional Council, 10,000 Ghana cedis, Abetifi 5,000, Obomin 5,000, and Impraiso 5,000. In addition, we are also presenting airtime worth 2,500 for the Traditional Council. Kwahu Traditional Council, 1,000 Ghana cedis airtime, Abetifi 500, Obomin 500, and Impraiso 500. And also, in addition, we brought some drink hampers to the Traditional Council. We have also paved a parcel of land at Obomin, which can be used by the community for event at a total cost of 70,000 Ghana cedis. This will be handed over to the Obomin Hene and his elders later today. To provide distinct customer experience during the celebration, MTN will set up an experiential centers at Obomin, Impraiso, and Kwahu service while they celebrate. In the view of the ongoing SIM registration, we also have a team that will register customer SIM with the Ghana card. Nana Kwahu Mahine, permit me to also take this opportunity to inform you and your elders that MTN as a business has refurbished its brand outlook as it's visible within our logos in the banners around. We also wish to inform the people of Kwahu that MTN Heroes of Change is currently open for nomination. This edition of MTN Heroes of Change is being organized to reward individuals and institutions who have made significant impact in the fight against COVID-19 pandemic in the country. The work done during the period should be in the 3 focus areas of MTN Foundation, which are health, education, and economic empowerment. We urge you to nominate heroes from this community who falls within this category for MTN Heroes of Change. The deadline for nomination is the 25th of April 2022. Before I take my seat, we want to use this opportunity to thank the chief and people of the Kwahu traditional area for their continuous support and loyalty to the MTN brand. Nananom, we look forward to a memorable celebration of Kwahu Easter 2022.
Oh, na me free baby, MTN ye promotion. Na we way, MTN de achade ba. Na ose bo number bi ma me. Saa afo no no mo pa awia wusika. Nti be sremo. Monye bibi mfa ho. Baby ankrofo no yosa na. Omutimi du number bi frɛ o. O peke o number wusika wo phone so kura na ahye hwom. Minimu de omoyo. Nti ICT e kosoro no. Na adwin for no so change wo taxes misra mu ba ni nyina be ko aba no e be free fie wa because obu bi be ka wa untuma mu ande free ti ba sra mu so mu mpagya mu ho ICT say ebi di yard pa ebi so de bokro no ti mesra mu loopholes e wo mu no mo mi enhwese e be twitwa so ye da MTN so ase say odo a wo mu wan ye nti Omabeya Park worth 70,000 Ghana cedis amaye. Yes, say, Ubecho be Sika Kakraka, the nature say, Opa Unipa Kunasem. One ne betra. It's yes so the no betra pa. And Koyosi Easter Kwan Mobeba. Boba be program for na matimidiatna. Baby wa network nenko. A horse so any ya ye light electricity coho. Road network coho. Ba ko aka na nemo communication no mo mrambe ye maye na ye kuro no aye kese ye mo afrisia pa afisese na omo anwo ye ayewo omo aware anware ye so na ware chienti ko is one of your finest destination ye mama kwa ba mo ni entra